Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to resize a design in Canva without a Pro account. The built-in resize feature is only available to Pro users, but there are simple workarounds that let us adjust our designs to any size we need. From the Canva dashboard, when we want to resize a design, we go to File and select Create a New Design. We click Create a New Design here. Next, we set a custom size. We choose the new size we want. For this example, let's use inches and set it to 12 by 12. Then we click Create New Design. Now we go back to the original design, select everything, and copy it. Then we paste it into the new design. Once pasted, we can also move elements over manually if we prefer. We can add images and text as needed. As we can see, everything is now in the new design. When we're happy with the result, we just click here to save. And that's how we resize a design in Canva without a Pro account. With just a few simple steps, we can adapt any design to a new size.